What's happening, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to a new video. Today's video we're going to be doing some work with a BMW, mainly because of this.
Well, just finished work, heading to the chiropractor to get my back sorted. I've had a bit of an issue with Beamer. Let's have a look. Yeah, bloody jaw. Oops. That's not good.
So now I've got the awesome task of trying to limp this bastard home without making like any damage or whatnot. Fun times, eh? I don't know if you can hear that, but it's very loud. It's definitely not good. Limpy, limpy. So an upside to having broken drive shaft means that there's no like scrubbing wheels when you're turning corners, because welded diff life. It's nice. So yeah, if anyone's got some drive shafts for an E46 compact, then do give me a message, because I'm in dire need of one. I mean, it was really bangy and it wanted to just spin all the time, so I had to drive really slow. I was pissing loads of people off, but it was great. So yeah, as you will have seen in that video, I did knacker the drive shaft on the BMW. We've got to try and figure out how to fix it now. Me and Fred did a bit of research and we found out that possibly an E36 driver's half shaft, whatever you want to call it, drive shaft will work, it will fit. So what I'm doing now is I'm heading up to the old unit where I used to have the S14. We're going to rob a drive shaft off Freddie, off his E36 project, and then we're going to have a go at getting it fitted to the E46 compact. I don't know if I'll get it done today, but I'm hoping that we can at least try. When we get there, we'll have a look around, see if we can find this drive shaft, and we can have a look at Fred's car as well, because it's been a while since I've seen it. So I'm going to crack on, drive up there, and yeah, I'll see you at the unit. Bye for now. So we are up at the old unit. If you're a long-term subscriber, you will recognise this place already. This is where the S14 used to be, back in the days of the start of the build. For those of you that are fairly new to the channel and don't know, this is where I used to have the S14 a long time ago, and it's also where Fred, one of the other guys from Style Zero, keeps his E36 that he's building. It's been quite a while actually since I've seen Fred's BMW. He's actually been cracking on doing quite a bit of work, so we will have a quick browse around that at some point while we're up here, but the main thing is to find that drive shaft. So I'm going to crack on, try and get that found, and then we'll have a quick browse around this. So we have got a bit of a task ahead of us, as you can see, because not only is there these shelves here, but it's all of those as well. So it's not going to be an easy task trying to find this. There's just like crap everywhere, and this is all from Fred's car, so yeah, we've got to try and find a driver's side drive shaft. Wish me luck. So there I am, looking at the shelves, trying to look everywhere. I can't seem to bloody find them, and it's because they're on the car. Why didn't I just think of that in the first place? So I'm going to give Fred a quick call, because obviously he's put the rear end back on the car. I don't know if you can see that, but he's put rear end back in the car, and I don't know if he's like sizing it up to get it rolling or something like that, so I just need to make sure with him that it's alright to just nick that. Hopefully it'll come out pretty easy, because I can't be bothered messing around today. It's a chill day, it's Saturday. I want to be at home chilling, not messing around with cars. I don't know. Let's see what happens, shall we? So I didn't bother filming any of that because it's quite dark under the car and I ain't got my light for the camera. But it's off. We have a drive shaft. Woo! Hopefully it's going to be the right length. Now, I did a bit of research on Google, so did Freddie, and it did say that an E36 non-M Sport drive shaft would fit an E46 compact, well, an E46, and I do believe they're all the same. I'm going to try it anyway, see what happens, but fingers crossed on this one that it does work. We can get the E46 rolling again. So as promised, we're going to do a little look around Fred's car. He did have exactly the same shell before, but he ended up scrapping it. It was quite a bit rotten, and he managed to pick this shell up, which is a full caged drift cup shell, and he got it for like £300 or £400. So absolute bargain really. Only issue was on this front end here, it was a bit smashed up. It was all like proper bent up on the chassis rail, but as you can see, it looks nice and straight now. It's looking good, and he's got the Bayern primer, which is nice. it's going to be good to see what colour he goes with on this. And obviously front end's all put on, just mocked up for now, but he's trying to get it all ready so that the engine can be dropped straight in pretty much and put all front end back on when it's ready. Yeah, full cage in here. It is pretty dark in the car, my bad. He's had to put this dash bar in, but it's all pretty sweet, it's looking good. Yeah, it's pretty dark, so I can't really show you the full amount of it. It's had the rear quarters cut, same as my car. Boot floor's all been cut out. And he's actually putting this new fuel cell in there at the minute, which is this big bastard over here. I don't know what I think it's like an 80 litre fuel tank, that. It's massive. But yeah, he's just prepping to get that put in there now. And obviously, all back end's getting built up, as you know, because I'm ripping it all apart. So yeah, this will be a car that's going to get featured on channel very, very soon, once it's in a better build-up stage. The engine that's going in it is going to be sick. I don't know the exact details on it, but I know it was a 2.8, and then it's going to run 3 litre internals, and it's been like messed around with, like head skimmed, shit like that, and it's going to be mental anyway. So we'll speak to Fred and get a proper lowdown on engine. Anyway, I'm all done up here. There are a few other bits that I need to grab, but I'm going to wait and do that during the week, I think, if the 46 is finished. But yeah, we're going to grab that drive shaft, we're going to chuck it in the Range Rover, and we're going to get home, and hopefully, fingers crossed, it will go straight in the car. But for now, I've got to get home and get this sorted, because there's a storm on its way. As you can hear, the door's going crazy. So let's get home. Right, so we're home. I'm gonna go in, get changed, get warm, and then we're gonna crack on taking the old damaged half shaft out, and hopefully get this new one in, fixed and drivable. So stay tuned and we'll see if we can get it fixed. Bye. As you can see, nicely snapped. Oh yeah. So I'm going to unbolt this side first, crack that side off. Fingers crossed it should all come off as I want it. But no, my luck, probably won't.